Man, this is what riding's all about.
Alright, what's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel, the Moto Soul. It's a beautiful Sunday morning here in Dallas, Texas. We're headed up to a bikes and coffee meet. We'll see what kind of bikes and stuff we run into and what kind of people that we meet. It should be a good time.
So if you guys see this beautiful Ford Performance blue Raptor to my right here, that's actually my truck. And my girlfriend's driving it. She's headed up to the bike meet with us, and she's gonna get some coffee and stuff before she heads to work. Pretty funny though, because she's like a 90-pound little Asian girl rolling in that big ass half-ton truck. She's having a good time though. It's not a super windy out today, but it's a little gusty. Every once in a while I get caught with a nice little gust that just pushes me over in the lane. I love this area, and most big cities have this type of infrastructure like this, but it's always cool seeing all the bridges and stuff like that. I've never been up here before. This is a cool area. Yeah, here it is, Ascension Coffee. We're gonna get parked up over here with the Italian boys. Let's check it out. So there's the MV Aprilia RS660. Sweet bike. Another Aprilia KTM, and then you got the Bobber boys over here. Let's check these ones out. One of my buddies is actually looking at one of these Triumph Bobbers like this. He'd probably think this is pretty cool. Anyways, we'll check back in when we get done. And we're back. So we had a nice little bikes and coffee meet up here at the Star. And now I'm going to follow these guys for a little ride. I don't know if I'll go all the way with them. They're going on a pretty good little ride there. Man, this is what riding's all about. Here we go, little gas station takeover. You guys don't care if I'm recording while we're riding?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Just making sure. I'm probably not going to go all the way there with you guys, but I'll ride a little bit.
Okay.
I got to get back and get some lunch with my brother later. I'm going to roll with them for a little bit, and then I'm going to flip back around and go get some lunch with my younger brother. I really like that Triumph Bobber over there. Ken, my buddy that always gives me the ride up to the MV Agusta dealer, he's actually looking at one of those, a 2018. I'm going to take a picture of it and send it to him. Cool, man. This is probably like the right number of people right here to ride with. We got a good little mix though of bikes out here. We got the Triumph Speed Triple, Aprilia Tuono V4, Ducati Duval, Triumph Bobber, and then some sort of BMW bike up there. It's probably a 9T, I think they're called R9T or some shit like that. Cool bike though, little cafe racer style Beamer. I wish the guy with the RS660 came out with this. I wanted to hear that thing. That's a cool bike. I looked at one of those before I purchased this thing. I like them. I might have the loudest bike out here. I'm sure the neighborhood that we're riding through right now appreciates that. That damn SC Project exhaust gets me every time. Truly beautiful roads out here. I don't know if the GoPro's still on or not, but I'm going to go ahead and sign off here. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for future content. Peace.